Assalamualaikum. Marhaba. Kaif alhal, my friend? Kullo tamam? Hello guys. How are you today? Welcome to my vlog. Yorme 23. Stay safe. Enjoy and relax. Greetings to all my big boss. Sanjay Lama, Boss Shapik, Boss Tangkachan. Stay safe always and take care.
Kabayan, how are you today?
Sabi ko matulog ka na para fresh kasi inisip mo.
Welcome to my vlog, Yorme 23.
Okay, yung vlog.
Papa Alan is there.
Shout out.
Shout out
Ma'am Ruby and Ate Hailin, the beautiful lady in Concourse A.
Wow. Kakaiba
Ship
din.
C, number 1.
Number 1.
Subscribe. Click the button below.
Kuya, gagamitin natin yung vlog.
Ganyan ka po forward.
Diyos ko, forma ito nga kami na.
Friendship ko lang kita nakita.
Parang formahan lang ng ano eh. Formahan lang ng 25 years old.
Sorry, may fracture ako. Hindi ako nakapag-rubber shoe. Sasayaw nga lang. Si Ruby na lang, si Ruby na lang.
Si Ruby?
Ano ba si Ruby?
Miss Ruby, where are you? Shuhada.
Saan ka expected?
We're going to Global Village.
Shout out.
Dubai,
Ate Hailin,
UAE.
Miss Beautiful,
Number
how are you?
1, Mia Mia.
Ang mga ganito. Mas natutuloy kasi pag ano, hindi pinagpaplanuhan ng maayos.
Shout out to Miss Beautiful Janice, aka Jaja. Concourse A. Ship A. Stay safe, stay healthy always, and take care. Shout out to all BA. Ship A. Ship B.
Di ba?
Ship C. Ship D. And to all daily morning. More sail. Enjoy your life. And take care. This is Crossing Road going to Global Village.
Tayo Papa Alan, ha? Tayo Papa Alan.
Guys, Global Village. Beautiful place.
Number 1, nakamura.
Vengo sa. Ano? Hola.
Special greetings to all Irish Village. Stay healthy. Stay safe.
Global Village rules. Ticket area. Hello, Dubai Duty Free. How are you today? Still fine? Very good. Marhaba. Mia Mia. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my vlog, Yorme 23. Guys, this is Global Village. Shout out to my big boss. Boss Sanjay, Boss Shapik, Boss Tangkachan. Stay safe, stay healthy always, and take care.
Video mo dito.
Hello, my friend. Assalamualaikum. This is my friend, pretty boy. Where you from, my friend?
I'm from Pakistan. Good
Kihali bhai. Mia Mia, number 1. Entry ticket. 1 ticket, 25 dirhams. AED. This is my friend, Ruby.
Carolina Herrera naman.
Carolina Herrera, number 1. Shout out, RB Tembang. How are you? Where you? Ernie Gucci. Saan ka na? My friend, why like this? Why not coming? No coming today? No coming? My friend, Global Village number 1, number 8, Mia. Dubai Duty Free number 1, number 8. Carolina Herrera number 1, Givenchy number 1, Creation number 1, Mia. We're looking for food. I'm hungry today. I like Chicken Joy, Jollibee. Gar, Jollibee, I like.
No Jollibee.
No Jollibee here. I like this one. Mango cake. 1 order. Please. Thank you very much.
Looking for a free food. Ako na po nag-turn over ng vlog ni Kuya. Ito po yung floating market. Ito po si Edgar. Kuya. Which is the owner of the vlog.
My new friend from Namaste. Kathmandu, Nepal.
Kuya Masita, we're looking for a food, guys. And then I'm turning on the free food.
Wala sa ground floor, ang dami ko nakikita. Napaganon ako, pre.
Mango, buko, shake. Number 1. Mia.
Kakain pa ako mamaya. Kaya mo itong gawin. Yan.
Ano pa rin naman, no?
Kaya nga sabaw. Diba?
How are you? Pre,
You know?
shoutout ka sa mga tropa mo.
Tropang DDF.
Tropang DDF, shoutout.
Shoutout dyan.
Batchmate, how are you? Baby boy, how are you? Ang pogi naman. Shout out! Albarsha, Ticom Boys, stay safe! Best regards to all Emirates, Transguard, G4S, and Marhaba, and Dinata. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care.
Hello to all sa Peer Boys Basketball! Shout out! Manjil, Cook, Sandro, Sanjo Marudo 23, Sherwin, Papa Kent, Ompong, Reggie Armani, Carlos, Onen, Kuya Dos, Westbrook, Paring Dwight, Paring Albert, Michael Danhill, Eman, Jigs, Gucci, Rodel Versace, Jeff Cuencoy, and also Sir Philip and Boss Edwin. Stay safe, always. Stay pretty boy, and take care. Regards to all DG boys, Uncle Pits, Arby Timbuang, Ryan Bullet, Ernie Gucci, Chato Allen, Roy the Legendary, Consi, Christopher Piscador, Ryan Macapagal, Dominic Solis, Ron Chua, Batang Cavite. Stay pretty boy. Enjoy your life and take care.
Hello, how are you?
Greetings to Chris Ray, Remar, Rick Rock, Morsel, always. Stay pretty boy. Shout out Jamila Lempao, aka Warda.
Good. How much
Stay
massage?
beautiful always. Take care. Enjoy your life. Hello to all my supervisor, Shipsy Concourse A, Sir Jamal, Sir Sushil, Sir Benz, Sir Nabil, Madam Maki, Madam Leia, Madam Cecilia, and to all security department. Take care always. Be happy. Best regards to all my beautiful managers, Ma'am Ibet, Ma'am Hazel, Ma'am Nori, Ma'am Jasmine. Stay healthy always. Take care. Guys, you like ice cream? Number 1. Delicious. Rakam Wahed. Mia Mia.
Move. Hello, shout out sa mga taga Batangas dyan. We're here in Global Village with Yorme 23.
Ala
Ay,
shout out.
shout out Buyotski Vlog.
Oh, sa mga tropa mo, mga
Mga tropa dyan sa mga CAVT, Volleyball Varsity Team ng Lipa.
number 1,
Number 1.
Rakam Wahid,
Wahid.
Mia Mia, Drex ng Penhaligon, shout out. Pare, more sale,
Ang pinaka-slim.
pinaka-slim ng
Foods.
Puch.
Shoutout ulit sa aking kumparing TJ Bertuccio. What's up, bully game? Sayang ang tato.
Shout out sa kumpare ni Alan
TJ Bertuccio.
from CJ Bertuso.
Sayang ang tato.
Stay pretty boy dyan, my friend, okay? Stay safe,
Yes.
okay?
Ah,
God
be
bless.
safe everyone.
Okay. Shout out dyan sa Urban Crew in the house.
Crew in the house. Global Village.
Global Village, UAE.
Urban Crew.
Urban Crew!
Stay safe, stay healthy kayo dyan. Shout out dyan sa mga tropa nyo. Manonood kayo.
Hello to my beautiful supervisor, Ma'am Agnes and Ma'am Nelly. Stay healthy, take care, stay beautiful. Konnichiwa, ohayo gozaimasu. Japan country. Beautiful place. Number 1.
Dyan, sa lahat ng taga Santa Rosa, Batangas.
Batangas sa Batangas.
Lipa, Batangas.
Padre Garcia, sir.
Padre Garcia.
Siyempre,
Mga tropa ni sir.
sa aking mga magulang, sa mga Diaz family.
Stay healthy, stay safe. Ingat kayo dyan, sir. Shout out HR department. How are you today? How are you today? Fine good, fine good. Stay safe. Stay healthy always. Dubai Duty Free, number 1, number 1, number 1.
Don't forget, subscribe and like Yorme 23. Thank you very much. The Urban Crew dancer from Philippines. Guys, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Stay healthy always.
Say something to your BA group. Shout out Creation. Number 1. Number 8.
Masalam. We love you all.